15 if you got 2 deer whistles. Low, medium, high.
Got a lot of shine. Running
It's
up
a big boy.
come
Come back. And I'm just...
Take it from me, must be out your mind.
We're professionals.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You might be wondering, what the hell is that guy doing on that bike? Where's your F6B? I still have it. It's just in the shop right now. So Big Daddy this morning, he said, hey, you want to go out with me and go pick up a motorcycle? I was like, yeah, hell, I'll go with you. So we jumped in the truck about 4 o'clock in the morning and headed over I-90 over the pass and met up with this guy in Moses Lake.
All that stuff.
Yeah.
And there's one down at the shop I just saw day before yesterday. It's a full dresser. It's an 05. And,
and he had this bike for sale, and this is what Big Daddy was actually thinking about taking on the trip, on our summer trip. So it's a Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe, and very, very comfortable bike. Not the best gas mileage in the world, but super comfortable. Forward foot controls, very good seat, very comfortable. The grips are in a great position. So anyway, he bought it out there in Moses Lake.
We are so fucking... These things get such good gas mileage. We want to make sure we can make it to the next gas stop. So we're trying to hold the bike up so we can get as much gas in here as possible.
There is no way in hell you're gonna make it. Wait, you gotta put the, yeah, to the top. There. Where's the fixed one? Right there.
Wait. I think you don't need the key in.
There.
We're professionals. We can't even get a gas gallon.
There.
Here we go.
Big time. No man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time. Lot of shine.
And on our way back, we decided, you know what, we should stop off and check out the Wild Horses Monument and do a quick stop at the Columbia River Scenic Bypass, you know, that little pull-off area there before you go back over the river at Vantage. And just a gorgeous area. And then kept coming back on I-90 and stopped in Thorpe real quick to get some gas, and little fruit stand right there. Great place to get something to eat, something to snack on. You got everything, ice cream and pop and coffee, fruit, dried fruit, all kinds of cool stuff. Love that big American flag just sitting right there by the freeway. Anyway, after gassing up right there, jump back on the I-90 heading west, and you pass by the little summit area, little ski resort area up there, and just a great little fun place in the winter. They got some great inner tubing there. By the way, if you guys happen to swing by there, awesome place to go inner tubing. Anyway, we're heading over to Flyboy's house. Say hi, drop off the bike, and take a look at it real quick. We'll give you a tour of the bike.
Look at this gorgeous bike.
Yeah, you're gonna, I mean, touch up will.
Make it look better.
Yeah, but you're still gonna see.
That's okay.
I mean, I
Think you could take it off?
don't think it will come off. No, that's into the paint. You can feel the ridge.
Is it?
Yeah. I think you're gonna have to, I mean, ideally, you would spray it on, sand it and spray it, but you can
There's
use
that, and then this spot
It's not
right,
gonna look as good.
right here. There's a tiny little.
I mean, you can go out and get, you know, with a brush and do it. It's not going to look as good.
Yeah.
But
Then
that's
he's got
an
his
option.
favorite football team on there.
Nice. Sea chickens over there. Oh,
And-
with it too.
And in case this bike was blessed, I would leave that sticker on.
Oh yeah. In 12.
But this bike, it rides good,
Does it
Brad.
really?
Oh yeah.
What is this?
Royal Star Tour Deluxe.
Did it come
And
with
it came with a bag. It came with a bag for the sissy bar.
Oh, okay.
It has the liners. That's the
Oh,
drone.
nice.
Just doing that's the new drone. I lost my drone, my first drone, in a river. Whatever you do, don't fly down a canyon. It all goes shitty real quick. Just cruising right up there, coming down from this way, cruising right up along here. All of a sudden the drone decides to start flying towards those trees up in there. And I'm going, no, come back, come back, come back. And I'm just watching it go, 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 go. And boom, hit the tree, fell in the river. And I have no fucking clue where that drone went. But anyway, it came with liners. There's liners in that one. It came with a cover.
Wow.
Look at this. You got a cell phone holder.
Jeez. Yeah, very nice.
You got a little drink mount. Little storage thing here. It's got the bat wing. It needs a little bit of cleanup, but it's shit, it ain't bad.
No, that's
Just a
nice.
little bug action there.
Hey, that means it's been used.
Yeah.
It ran pretty good.
Yeah, it runs really good.
Do these whistles work?
Yeah.
You didn't run into any deer.
Nope. Didn't hit one damn deer.
Worked out perfect.
That's pretty good, huh?
It does.
Yeah.
He's got the Royal Star. You got the custom radiator shield down there.
Nice.
Oh yeah, it's a big boy bike.
It's a big boy.
It's a big boy bike, Brad. Look at Brad. He looks like
Comes Flyboy. Coming in hot.
Real man's bike.
What do you think for a number, what was it, 3 out of 42?
Yeah. Is this an 09?
yeah.
Very nice. This thing, I like the actual raised handlebars.
It's very comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah.
This year we gotta fix these. We gotta tighten these up, and then they have them.
You got a lot of room too in
Same
these
thing on that
bags.
side and this.
Comfortable too.
It is. That seat is so freaking comfortable. I'm not. It's 180 miles.
And these right here, Brad,
Plus.
these are nice, but it goes through gas like you wouldn't believe.
Oh really?
It does.
I'm surprised
That
with
chews
Yamaha.
big time
I
gas.
think they would. What is this a four stroke? Four stroke, 4 cylinder.
4-cylinder.
Oh, so it goes
Liquid
yeah.
cooled, shaft drive,
Low maintenance.
low maintenance.
This thing will probably do 200,000 miles, no problem.
Oh yeah. And you got plenty of room too. Which nice. When you're on, you can just take your finger and you just pull up on this, and then you know your bags are closed.
Oh, nice.
And it's got a lock. You can lock them. he threw in liners too.
And it has a quick release passenger backrest, quick release, and you can take the pillion off if you want to ride solo.
I would leave
Great
that
option.
on, brother, for your thing. Oh, he
And-
threw in a luggage
Yeah,
deal
a
too.
cover
Jeez.
and a deal that straps on the back.
It's a
Oh,
nice.
really?
It's a nice
And it's
bike.
got a black bat wing, and if you have that, that means you're a boss.
There you go. And someone could probably pick this thing up for like 12 grand,
Yeah, it's at least 12.
15 maybe.
It's
Well,
written off.
15 if you got 2 deer whistles.
Oh, now we're at 16.
Look at that. You're
gotta see
never
if I
going to
can
hit
even
a
lift
deer.
this
I was
bike
gonna
up.
say, how's your shoulder?
Oh yeah, look at that. See, look at that riding position.
I know.
I mean, seriously,
Yeah,
you're
it's
just
a lot
cruising.
different than the.
Well, he's got cruise control too. So
Oh
he
yeah,
can.
electric cruise control.
Oh, so it'll keep it right
Yep.
at probably.
Exactly.
So no fluctuating from you.
It's got a water holder, a cell phone holder, aftermarket grips. Remember we put these on the Vaquero?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are Kuryakin
It's got
grips.
the little
Huh?
pussy
Yeah.
pouch bags up there and
Pussy
front.
pouch? Where you can keep your tampons? Or?
Yep. You never know. High flow day. You gotta have quick access.
Well, this is low, medium, and high flow. Or actually, high flow is the
This
big
is
one.
low, medium, high.
Oh shit.
Oh, I thought you've been through that already.
I'm going through the menopause part now.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that. I did that early. I started at about
Good.
38.
Look at that little trailer hitch.
We can. This here, Lord knows, has to come off.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.